We've got some damaged pipe here and we're going to use the coupler in a slip repair application. We'll make witness marks on the pipe so that we know that the damage is roughly in the centre of the fitting. And then we'll back off the nuts. And because there's no end stops inside this fitting, it can slide anywhere along the pipe surface. So we're going to locate it roughly there, and we're going to do the nuts up. We'll do the fitting up by hand, and then we'll use wrenches and do it up until there's a high resistance.